Hello people, I wanted to show you how to exclude project sandbox in OpenToonz, because by default it belongs to sandbox, but all of my projects are separated. For example, this strawberry animation, so I have separate files. This actually has raster level file and level file, file png and knz file. In this video tutorial I must show you how to exclude sandbox from project. Okay, in preferences I have to go general, but the thing is they changed it a little bit because I use a different version of OpenToonz. Aha, because I have to select this. I couldn't see this. When you select custom, this will be activated, so you have to use a custom option to be able to exclude from sandbox. And we select our project, but to be able to see changes you have to quit application and you have to open application again. Now I will show you, because if we create a new project you won't probably have backup of your project. But I will show you what I will be doing now, because I use a new version. It changed a little bit. Compilation from November 2019. So you go to File, Project Management, New Project. Oh, now we have saved our project. It is being treated as main project, this one here. We have to open the files to that catalog. Sometimes OpenToonz crashes, but when you save projects properly, you can avoid it. Now we will have to use save all, but I have to wait because OpenToonz seems to be like got stuck for a couple of seconds. Oh, now it is okay. Save all. Yes, this is... Now we have excluded from sandbox. As you can see, this red dot usually indicates which project is treated as main project. Because we will not grow yet, we have to see what files will be saved first. Because this is really important for you in the future to be able to import on another computer. Give a couple of seconds for that application in order to save a project. It shouldn't take long. Oh, it is okay now. We have to check what files will be saved. Now we have... Don't look at this XML, we will not copy. We have sing file, we have a catalog where level file will be included. We have a PNG file, but nothing is there, only empty PNG file, because we didn't draw anything yet. Now I will try to create map of United States. I try to do from my head. I don't remember if I will be doing correctly. Hopefully, it's not as that good as it should be. Sorry guys, I come from Poland. I know you expected me to do this as good as possible. The thing is, I have to add a proper level, because I didn't add a proper level. I have to, unfortunately, I will have to add another level. What you can do, new level, Toonz vector level USA. Oh, we can also indicate where is being saved. This is another catalog which this file is located, but as you can see, this red dot tells us this belongs to our new created project. At least it doesn't belong to sandbox. Don't worry friends, I will show you step by step. Now I have to draw our map. I didn't see for a long time map of this country. Here it is like Louisiana. I have to make sure I draw as good as possible. I don't like shape of Florida. Forgive me if I didn't draw as good as possible. I remember map. Here it is Michigan. I draw this from my head. It's not that bad. I cannot complain, people. I did it from my head. You cannot really tell me off because I didn't look at anything. On the right lower corner you double click, so we have to get another color. Deselect auto. When you do that you can apply color. Gosia, wait, my dog is moaning. Started to moan in wrong time. I will have to take my dog outside in a minute. Please wait for me because I will have to show you. As I will add a color. As you can see, beautiful vector color. If you want to copy, you can select black background, paste, insert. By left mouse button you can drag to this column. If you want to add a keyframe, you do like this. If you want to add a separate keyframe, you have to copy image and you drag by left mouse button. If you edit this, you can create animation step by step. Now what we have to do, use the option save all, and we have to see what files we will have to copy in the future. I didn't want to. Oh no, this is being saved. Sorry, I have to wait when OpenToonz will finish saving this project. Gosia, wait, stop, czekaj. Please be patient because sometimes application takes little bit for application to save. I have to check some other settings because normally it is taking less time than it should. If this happens, you can set how many cores it must use. Oh, now check also in preferences this option when your project is being saved too long. Hey people, I must show you now what files. In this catalog we have, this shouldn't be here because this doesn't belong to raster level. We go to level file, this one is important, but this is not important because our colors are being saved to level file vector. We have to copy this we have to copy PNG file, this catalog, as you can see, and this. Dosia, stop moaning. Przestań. I must show you how I will be importing project. Oh no, I pressed caps lock. If you want to import or another computer, you have to copy those files here. Then you will what happens to my application? Oh no. I don't know why it got stuck. It shouldn't behave like this. I shouldn't terminate program like this. I don't know why this. Sorry for this. I told you this application sometimes doesn't behave as it's supposed to. It's not because of what I'm doing, because I do exactly, I know what I'm supposed to do. Now I will import my catalog. First of all, I have to check if I can load the thing from this new created catalog. If not, I can set up this new catalog. I just have to check something. Oh, it tells me change project. No, not this one. Because, no, this happened because we have to do some other steps. I have to check because I have to do some other steps. Okay, we got everything here, but we didn't set up our catalog as we supposed to set up, because you have to do another step to be able to import. Unfortunately, this is how this strange program works. I am only talking if you want to use it on another computer. I didn't miss any files. As you can see, I got everything in this catalog. But to be able to import successfully, you have to use option project management, new project. I don't like when those windows look like this. This is because I didn't use option append. Unfortunately. Don't worry if you see sandbox, it's nothing to do with sandbox. Now we have to load our scene. As you can see, I was able to import it, but I couldn't import before because I didn't do this option. I didn't use this option. When you use open new project, you have to open the files. We have imported successfully this. It was successful for me to import. Now we check project settings. We have saved all files. I don't have raster level, but for some reasons, unfortunately, I have got separate files, which is to do with raster level. This shouldn't be here, but I created by accident before, so I had to copy those files again. We have seen file. Don't look at this because this is to do with raster level. This one here, level file, and file PNG. Unless you use option new project like this, you won't be able to import your separate files. You have to copy them to empty catalog if you want to import it without any problems.